Welcome back to my channel once again, and my name is Sonia Luthra. I have come today again with one of the overly used connector, which is because of. Yes, a lot of you have been using these words in speaking as well as in writing whenever you want to talk about some reasons. But this word has been overly used. So we should be learning about how we can talk about the reasons, but without using the words because of. There are many words that you can use instead of because of, starting with as a result, due to, owing to, thanks to, considering that, since, last but not least, for. So I think these are enough words that you can use or replace because of, and can increase your score again from 0.5 to 1 band in your speaking as well as in your writing module. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till